Hello, horror fans. I was about to go on a walk, and I did not expect this to come today. I got my movie called Dead Earth. 2 women, a million undead, one chance to survive. We got the zombies right there, the 2 girls right there. In this searing post-apocalypse action thriller, 2 young women cling to an abandoned resort. They must survive in silence and mortal of fear, interacting the hordes of the undead that roam the earth. When their compound runs out of fuel, they are forced into the countryside to find gas, resulting in a nightmarish encounter with survivors, but that is nothing compared to the horrors that await them back at home, leading to a deadly confrontation with the evil that surrounds them. So let me put you guys right here. Or let me put you guys down so I can... I don't know, I don't have a camera yet. I got this offline earlier last week, I don't fucking remember. But, damn, it smells nice. And here's the disc art, this Dead Earth, Grindstone, Lionsgate. I love zombie movies, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I love you all. See you all in the next unboxing. Bye.